Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to use green screen in CapCut Mobile. First of all, you need to add your background. Open the CapCut app, install a new project, select the photo or video you want to appear in the background and add it to the main timeline. Note, if you have a separate file, right, for let's say your photo, whatever, right, or your phone screen, and you want to add it to the green screen, add it as an overlay. In my case, I'm using the background and the green screen together as one file. Now, all I gotta do is just hit overlay. And let's say I want to add a photo. Let's say, let's say, I'm gonna choose something silly, right? Something with a background. Let's say my logo here. All right. Now, I'm gonna move it away, right? And choose the first timeline, swipe left to find cutout or background removal. Cutout somewhere here. Cutout, remove BG right here. Now you can you can use the auto removal feature, or in my case, I'm gonna use the chroma key because it's free. Gonna just direct it to the green screen. Now, all I gotta do is just add my logo right here. Right. So basically, that's it. That's how you use green screen in Canva Mobile. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.